Welcome! In this part of the course, we will learn about the most frequently used shortcut keys in the Microsoft Excel. Before moving further, let us first understand the meaning of shortcut keys and how we can use them. Firstly, what are Excel shortcut keys? Excel shortcut keys are a combination of keys that we can use to perform a function quickly, which otherwise we can perform by using the options given under the ribbon. Now, how we can use Excel shortcut keys? By pressing the Alt key on the Microsoft Excel, we can see various alphabets popping up on the ribbon. As we press any of those alphabets on the ribbon, we can see further alphabets popping up. And this way, we can navigate to the desired combination of keys to create desired combination of shortcut keys. Although there's no specific requirement to remember the shortcut keys, but it is preferable to remember some of the most popular and frequently used shortcut keys to increase the efficiency of our work. Some of the most frequently used shortcut keys are as follows. 1. Ctrl+A. This button selects all the data on the worksheet or the table. 2. Ctrl+U. It is used to underline the cell data. 3. Ctrl+I. Used to convert the cell data into italic. 4. Ctrl+P. Used to go to the print dialog box. 5. Ctrl+S. Used to save changes made to the workbook. 6. Ctrl+Z. Used to undo the unsaved changes made to the workbook in the reverse order. 7. Ctrl+C. Used to copy the cell data. 8. Ctrl+V. Used to paste the cell data. 9. Ctrl+B. Used to convert the cell data into bold letters. 10. Ctrl+N. Used to create new workbook. 11. Ctrl+F. Used to search the current worksheet, not workbook. 12. Ctrl+H. To find and replace. 13. Ctrl+Y. Used to repeat the last action done by the user. 14. Shift+F11. Used to insert a new worksheet. 15. F12. Used to save as. 16. F1. Used to go to help section. 17. Ctrl+9. Used to hide rows. 18. Ctrl+0. Used to hide columns. 19. Ctrl+W. Used to close the current workbook, not worksheet. With this, we have completed the understanding of most frequently used shortcut keys in the Microsoft Excel. Now that we have understood the basics of Microsoft Excel along with the basics of data entry and shortcut keys available on the Microsoft Excel, let us enter into analysis and management of data using several frequently used formulae. Thank you.